What's going on, guys? Joker88. We are here at my buddy's house, and he's the one that wrapped the Cayenne. Remember the Cayenne? He wrapped that one, and then I decided to go ahead and get the R8 wrapped. So you ready for the big unveil? Here it is. How sick is that? Right? Think about how it looked when we took it here, or when I took delivery of the car. Take a look at it now. Let's go on look at the wrap itself. As you can see, it's got sparkles, and right now the sun, you don't have it in the summer now. The sun's about to go down, but tomorrow we'll definitely take it out in the sun, and you guys can see it glittering in the sun. So some of the touches that JJ did, decided to put the black on the side mirror caps, and then he went ahead and put that little orange striping in the middle between, and then we changed the roof to a gloss black, carrying all the way down to the spoiler. But JJ was thinking maybe we should have wrapped this thing black as well, so it's one big solid black piece. Or maybe, we'll see. So we're using a new product, and this is the master himself right here. It's JJ. So JJ, did you have any problems? How did you like this Hexus?
I mean, the vinyl is kind of hard to work with.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's a really nice color.
Yeah.
It's a really nice finish.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's kind of hard to work with, especially in the corners and with the finish when you have to cut. Yeah. It's pretty hard. But I mean, it's a nice color.
It is.
And unique, pretty much.
Absolutely.
Because I haven't seen it in the street, and I haven't seen it even pictures. So.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this pretty much is a unique vinyl.
Yeah.
Just for Joe. It's for the Audi.
Hey man, it's JJ, man. He's hooking us up. So if you guys need any kind of wrapping, I know a lot of you guys got me up. I posted on Instagram and Facebook that I'm getting my R8 wrapped. Well, here it is, and there's the master that did it. So again, if you guys are local to me here in SoCal, let me know if you guys are interested. JJ will get you guys hooked up with the wrap that you guys want. And JJ has tons of. Do you have your swatches here, JJ?
Exotic ones.
Oh, okay. So you can choose from all these colors. This one's from 3M. Hexus is the one that I went with. I mean, look at all the variety of colors there. And Avery, tons of color there as well. And this one here is that KPMF? PMF. Different color swatches there. So, man, and this is the wrap that we used. So it's all here, guys. If you guys need it, man, let me know. Hit me up on a link, and I'll get you guys in touch with JJ. So we went with the sparkles, as you can see in the sun. How it catches the sparkles. Let's do a 360 around this. And explain to you guys what wrap we did here, okay? Alright, so the wrap that we went with is made by Hexus. And this is Hexus' new film. And it's one of the first Audi R8s to actually have a Hexus on it. And this Hexus right here, this is the first sparkle, like really intense sparkle on any wrap. And we got that here on our R8. So what are some of the things that we did, right? Well, we got the black, and we still have to work on a couple of things on there, but between the black we put like the Hex film on there to give it that shine. And I went ahead and made the roof all black. And one thing that I wanted to add is this. We'll probably change this entire panel here black, so this entire middle section is black. Okay. I like how the brilliance of the vinyl coming out, popping out in the sun. So, side mirrors are black. The roof, you turn black. and you know, we wanted to do something different. So I wanted to do something different because if you see all the other Audis out there, they have the red, the yellow, the blue, you know, and some people would wrap it like baby blue. So I want to do something that's different. And the best thing with wraps, guys, is that it's not permanent, you know. So if I want to change it tomorrow, I can change it to a different wrap. So it's perfect. And as you can see, the Cayenne over there has been wrapped also in that blue color. So let's do a quick montage of the wrap.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.